Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Teladoc Health, which is a popular telemedics service that provides virtual health, mental health support and wellness programs. So if you are considering using Teladoc, make sure to check out the link in the description for the latest details and offers. So Teladoc Health, as I said earlier, is a telehealth platform that actually connects you with the licensed doctors, therapists and healthcare professionals online, so you can get diagnosis, treatment plans and even the prescriptions without even visiting a clinic. It actually covers a wide range of services including general medicine, mental health therapy, dermatology and nutrition counseling. So here, if I talk about the pros of this particular platform, so in my opinion it is very convenient. You will get 24/7 virtual healthcare from anywhere. That makes it ideal for busy schedules. If we talk about the second pro that I like is the multiple specialists cover. So it offers general health, mental health, dermatology and more. You will also get the insurance compatibility because it works with many insurance plans, reducing out of pocket costs. Here, if I talk about the cons or the negative things about this platform, so it is not a full replacement for in-person care. There might be some conditions that may still require an in-person visit, and the second thing is that it will cost you without insurance, so prices can be high if you are uninsured, but you can check out the link in the description for potential discounts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.